Hello, in front of me I've got Ajazz AK820 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. To hot swap switches, firstly prepare switch puller tool. This part place over the keycap and pull it. Now this part place over the switch from the top. Gently squeeze it and pull it up. Remember that these switches have 3 or 5 pins. While replacing, make sure that you match pins with holes. Push it gently and now place the keycap back. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.